You are wasting money with Amazon PPC, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to find that waste and cut it. I've analyzed thousands of Amazon PPC accounts, and almost all of them, probably around 99%, have had a ton of wasted ad spend. Now, welcome to day one of my 7-day Amazon PPC Profit Booster. This will be better than any paid or free course out there that you take this year, next year, or you've taken in the past. Now, we're kicking things off with one of my favorite principles. You'll see with me, I don't rely on hacks, I rely on principles. And this principle is called Pareto's Principle. You've probably heard of it before. It's also known as the 80-20 rule. This isn't about slacking off, it's about amplifying what actually moves the needle in your business. By the end of today, you'll know how to slash waste, boost cash flow, and reduce stress by zeroing in on your winners. Now, before we jump into it, I'm Dr. Travis Zigler, a recovering optometrist who, with my wife, Dr. Jenna, built iLove to $500,000 per month and sold it in 2021 for a multi-million-dollar exit. That success led to starting an ads agency called Profitable Pineapple Ads in 2018, where we've helped hundreds scale using our Perpetual sales machine system, running Amazon PPC, Google Ads, email marketing, and TikTok ads. In 2024, my partner Deacon Bradley and I launched Freedom Brands, where our goal is to build a $10 million EBITDA portfolio in the next 10 years and sell it for over $100 million. Now, profits from all this fund my I Believe Foundation, where our mission is to eradicate the 1 billion people that are blind due to lack of glasses. If you're doing over $500,000 per year on Shopify or Amazon and want us to implement our Perpetual sales machine strategy for you, head to profitablepineapple.com and fill out a short application. Now, enough about me, let's dive in. Now, embracing the 80-20 rule in your Amazon business isn't about doing less work. It's about doing more of what actually works. I'm going to show you how to leverage this principle to drive massive growth, improve your cash flow, and cut stress by focusing on the most lucrative parts of your operation. Let's break down the core areas where 80-20 rule can revolutionize your success. Now, the first one is product focus. About 80% of your revenue comes from just 20% of your products. That means pour your advertising dollars and your efforts into these top performers. Optimize their listings, boost visibility, and watch your sales soar. Meanwhile, dial back on the underperformers to free up your resources for what really drives your business forward. I lived this with iLove. We went from over 70 SKUs to just 5 core focus products, and it skyrocketed us to $500,000 per month. It made scaling so much easier because we could laser in on what actually worked. The same thing with Dr. Berry's. After acquiring it in March of 2024, we trimmed it from 7 SKUs to one primary focus SKU. Now, second thing you need to note with Pareto's Principle or the 80-20 rule is search term efficiency. A staggering 80% of your revenue ties to just 20% of your search terms in Amazon PPC. This is gold for your SEO and for your PPC strategies. Identify the high performers and dominate them to amp up discoverability, to increase your organic rank, to increase your profits, and to increase your sales. The third way to apply Pareto's Principle is customer prioritization. 20% of your customers drive the majority of your revenue. This loyal, high-spending group deserves VIP treatment. I called 400 of my best customers, and guess what? I ended up selling them more, but I learned a ton of marketing gold. Now, you want to customize your marketing services and offers for this loyal VIP audience, and this will hike your average spend, it will hike your lifetime value, and it will increase everything across the board. Now, the fourth thing to apply Pareto's Principle to is Amazon advertising. 80% of your sales typically come from sponsored products, search term marketing. That's why we'll spend most of this 7-day Amazon PPC Profit Booster on sponsored products over sponsored brands and display, because sponsored products will give you the maximum ROI. Finally, sales channel concentration. 80% of your revenue flows from just 20% of your sales channel, most likely Amazon or Shopify or TikTok Shop. Now, you need to focus on what is your moneymaker, what is cash flowing you the most. If you focus just on that and you optimize there, you will explode your sales. For us at iLove, we were spread thin. We were on Amazon US, UK, Germany, Italy, Spain, France, Canada, plus Shopify, plus ClickFunnels. It was a nightmare with a big team and a lot of agencies. I crunched the numbers. I shut down everything except Amazon US. We kept our Shopify store, but we stopped advertising to it. That focus changed everything for me. Now it's action time. What I want you to do is download your products report and pause ads on all but your top 20% of your products, producing 80% of your results. This will skyrocket your profits, pump you full of cash, pump your business with cash flow, and give you more time. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So let's switch over to my screen and walk you through that step by step. All right, let me show you how to find the 80-20 of your business, the 20% of products that are bringing 80% of your results. So we're inside Seller Central. We're going to come down here to reports, business reports, scroll over here to child detail page sales and traffic by child item. What I like to do is go about a year back. This is a brand we bought in March of 2024. And we've been out of stock. So we're getting back into stock here soon, which is great at the time of this recording, that is. Just went back a little too far. Too worried about talking and not doing. All right, you can see everything right here. I'm going to download this CSV. I'm going to come over here to a Google Sheet. We're going to go to File, Import, Upload, Browse. Then we're going to find that Google Sheet, the business report. And then I'm just going to replace the current sheet right here. All right, we got everything here. Here's our child agent right here. Make the title a little bigger. Don't care much about all this because we're just looking at units ordered and sales. So here's units ordered. This is B2B, I don't need that. And here's the big one right here. That's all that really matters. So what you can see here is total, we're doing about $112,000 when you add all this up. I'll show you that. And then you can see over half of that is just our one product. All right, so if we look at this a little closer, we're going to delete these ones that are 0. So you can see we have 7 products total. Let me just make one new column to the right. And this top product right here is 59% of our revenue. And so what we're going to do is we're going to focus all advertising around this one product right here. Everything's going to be around this product, and we're actually discontinuing all of these other products as well. And so that's going to be our focus moving forward. All right, your action items for this video. Download that report I just showed you. Identify your top 20% of your products. Pause ads on the rest. It's that simple. Again, with iLove, trimming to 5 SKUs fueled my growth to $500,000 per month. For Dr. Barry's, focusing on one core SKU is powering our rebuild. Remember, stop chasing shiny objects. They pop up when the real work gets tough, and then you want to go do them. Focus on your golden 20% for more cash, more profit, and freedom to pay yourself. All right, that's the first day of our challenge, your foundation for PPC profits. Tomorrow, we're going to go through PPC's true objective to get higher rank, higher organic rank, and avoiding stockouts. If you can't wait for day 2 to come and you are ready to take more action, then head over to profitablepineapple.com and check out my entire free Amazon PPC masterclass there. Also, if you want this 7-day Amazon PPC profit booster emailed right to you, get it at profitablepineapple.com. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. This is just one day in my 7-day Amazon PPC profit booster, which is better than any paid course you can take on Amazon PPC. Now, we've only scratched the surface. To unlock even more profitability from your advertising, continue watching my 7-day Amazon PPC profit booster, or check out my full Amazon PPC masterclass for free at profitablepineapple.com. Click the video on your screen or use the link in the description to access the complete training. If you want it again sent directly to your inbox, you can get it at profitablepineapple.com, or you can just click one of these videos over here. Now, what else should they do?
Subscribe and like this video.
Subscribe and like this video, and share it with someone that you think might benefit from it.